What in the goddamn?
Hey, get the fuck out of here.
Wanna go shave a dog?
I'm gonna wear out my pussy like Tyson's speed bag.
Enough talk!
NANI?!
Oh shit! I gotta get out of here!